Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Interview in 3 Steps. This is Manisha Kumari and today I am going to teach you Slicing of List Part 1. So in this video I will discuss positive index list slicing. So before going to start, I will request you all kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so if I will upload any video you will get the notification easily. So now I am going to start positive index list slicing. By using these 4 different ways you can perform positive index list slicing on your list. So the first one is to print the elements from beginning to a range. So here you can use this colon index. So what is of meaning of that? Like you want to print your list from 0 index to a certain index, like 0 to 7 you want to print, 0 to 4 you want to print. At that time this colon and whatever index you want to print up to, then index value you have to give here. So before this colon 0 is available here but it's not visible, we can take, either we cannot take. So to print the element from 0 to a range we will use colon index. In the second one, to print the element from specific index till the end. So if you want to print the element from a specific index, like if you want to print the element from 4 to the end, so at that time you will use index colon. In the third one, to print the element within a range, we can use start index colon end index. So here what we want, if you want to print elements from either 3 index 3 to 8, 4 to 9, 5 to 6, 7 to 9, at that time you will use start index colon end index. And here if you print this, if you take the last index will only go up to the end minus 1. Like if you want to print the element from 2 index to 9, so it will go up to 9 minus 1, means it will print up to 2 to 8 elements. Okay. And the last one, if you want to print the whole list with the use of the slicing operation, then you can simply use colon. So what is the meaning of that? This colon before that 0, after that 0. So it will, by using this colon you can print the whole list and it will give you the original list. So I am explaining here this positive index list slicing by giving you one example. L equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Here I have taken one list of string and I am printing here L. So it will print whatever string is there, it will print here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So by seeing this example, you can understand easily. So I am printing beginning to a range. So what I will do? Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So I want to print from beginning to a range. So I am using colon index. So here I am taking the list. I am assigning in the slice list because I want the part of the element of that list. You can simply print L colon 7 also, but I am assigning in another variable. I am printing then slice list. So what will happen here, if I want to print from 0 starting beginning to index, then I am using colon 7. So it will go here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So starting to end minus 1 it will print. So what is the output? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Because in the case of slicing it will go in the end, it will go n minus 1. The second is print specific index to end. So specific index, like I want to print from index 5 to end. So here A 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here I want to print up to end. So So what it will print? What is the output? F G H I J K. If you didn't give anything here after colon, it will by default it will consider as 0, and here it will not go up to end minus 1. If you give the index value here, then it will go end minus 1. The third one is print element within a range. So start index colon end index. So here you will give the index value. At that time, if you want to print from start to end, it will go end minus 1. Like here you want to print the element from the index 3 to 8. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 0 1 2 3. You want to print the element from D to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 I, but it will go up to H only. For the time of slicing operation, if you want to print the indexes at the end, it will go to end minus 1. So the output is D, E, F, G, H. And the last one, if you want to print the whole list, simply use colon or 0 colon 0. So the L colon, so it will print the original list A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. In the next video, I will discuss you the negative index list slicing. So if you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.